Hey, this is Arlene. So, I'm not sure. I mean, I do have frequencies, but I'm not sure if somebody broke my camera because it's a little bit too on the fuzzy side. I cleaned the screen. But anyways, I'm doing this video like this guy's like been walking up and down the street. I call him out when I see him. So anyways, can't find parking right now, but I'm waiting for a parking spot to open up. I just wanted to do a really quick video. So I changed the charging cord to this one. I'm not sure if it's working so far right now. So I don't know if possibly they just vandalized the charging cord because when I went to get the charger, the cord was disconnected from it. And the only time that would happen is if somebody went into my backpack, because I would never disconnect the charging cord to the charger. If anything, it can charge too. So if anything, I mean, I would add another one, but I would never ever disconnect it. So I know somebody went into my backpack and did it. So far my phone started charging now with the red charging cord. So I switched it out. So I just wanted to do a really quick video on that.